Hello guys, in this video we will see how to modify default location of postgresql.config file to another location in PostgreSQL server. In Red Hat, CentOS or Fedora systems, by default configuration files are stored at var lib pgsql 14 or 13 or 12, then data directory. Now we are going to move from this default location to new location. Why we are moving default location of PostgreSQL.conf file to another location? Following are the possible reasons. One is maintaining standard location. Second is it's decided by your working organization. Third is putting all configuration files and scripts in a directory that is frequently backed up. Steps are: it is recommended to take periodically backup of all configuration files. Now perform the steps to move default PostgreSQL.conf file location to another location. First step is we have to shut down the PostgreSQL server. Before that, first verify the present PostgreSQL.config file location. Connect to PostgreSQL, then show config underscore file. See, this is the default PostgreSQL.config file that configured at the time of installation. Now we are going to change this from to new location. Okay, quit, again quit. Now shut down the PostgreSQL server by using pg_ctl -d $pg data star -mf. See, we have successfully started our PostgreSQL server. Let's verify. pg_ctl -d pg data status. See, now server is running. Now create a directory and assign ownership and access privileges to the Postgres user by using following commands. Exit from PostgreSQL, then sudo mkdir -p, then pg configs, that is PostgreSQL config files. Then change the ownership, sudo ch1, username is Postgres, then Postgres group for this path, that is our new location. Change the ownership. Now modify the permissions, sudo chmod -r 700, then provide the above path. The second step, we have created and assigned ownership and the required permission. Now we have to move the default PostgreSQL.conf file to this new location. We have two types of commands. One is by using variable move pg data, then PostgreSQL.conf to pg, this one. Second one is paste the full path, then provide the new location. Either one is true. Whatever the commands executed in this video are available in the video description. Now switch to Postgres user. Let's verify the pg data. Let's verify the contents of pg data. See, here we have pg.postgresql.conf file. Now move. Then we have to provide the pg configs location. It is success. Let's verify file moved or not by going to this new location. See, file is moved. Also verify from this location. See, the file is not here. See, we don't have that file. We have now, until now, we have moved the postgresql.conf file to new location. To effect these changes, we have to start the server with the new location, with the new configuration file. pg_sql -d $pg data, then -o, then single quotes -config -file equals to our new location. Our new location is this one. Then file name postgresql.conf, then space, then close the quotations, then start. See, we have successfully started the PostgreSQL server with the new configuration location. Last step is we have to validate whether we have successfully moved the default PostgreSQL conf location to new location. Command is PSQL. See, I am connected with the user Postgres. So PSQL -c, then quotations, select show config_file. Command is not select, just to show. See, before the location was different. Now it has moved to pg configs, that is new location, and file moved to postgresql.conf file. So in this video we have seen how to move default postgresql.conf file to new location or different location than default location. The same way you can move remaining configuration files to different location than the default locations. For more PostgreSQL server videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.